Hi everyone, I'm standing next to our newest M family member, the brand new BMW M3 CS as a special model that will be launched at the 2023 Rolex 24 at Daytona. Deriving from the BMW M4 CSL, the new BMW M3 CS will be the most extreme M3 in our current lineup, with some special model-specific features and parts, more performance and more power. We reduced weight about 20 kilograms against the M3 competition all-wheel drive, as well as putting in another 30 kilowatts to 405 kilowatts of power output. And with that, it is the most extreme M3 there is. I'd say it's a track tool M3. Now, just to give you some more numbers about the M3 CS, it has a maximum power output of 550 horsepower, and in combination with the standard M xDrive system, it accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 3.4 seconds. And it has a lot of other things. A lot of carbon fiber parts, specific M carbon bucket seats in bicolor, red and black, and a lot of CS specific parts. Now this car will be available only for 1 year, so there will be a limited number of vehicles available. We will produce it from March 2023 on. I'd say that's about the facts of the car. Let's go for a walk around. Now, when you look at the front of the BMW M3S, the first question, of course, always is, what kind of color is this? And this is BMW Individual Signal Green, a very nice color. And if you have a closer look at the bonnet, you can also see that it's made out of carbon fiber, because we have here some structural parts that are visible. There is no paint on top of that part of the bonnet, made out of carbon fiber. If we go down a little bit, you can also see the very nice M3 CS logo in black with a very nice red outline, and also the frameless kidney grille with a red outline. And if we look at the side, you can also see the very, very intense and nice yellow icons in the laser light headlights, which are a clear reference to GT racing. And down below we can also see a front splitter made out of carbon fiber with integrated winglets on the side for optimized aerodynamics. Now let's go and have a look at the side. And for that we will change to the other car next to me. The color we see on this car is very special. It's BMW Individual Frozen Solid White, and it's the first time that we've used this color, and it's one out of the 4 colors we offer in total for the M3 CS. Specific also here, the carbon outside mirror caps, the M3 in black with the red outline, and of course, obviously, this very, very nice wheel in golden bronze light alloy wheel. 19-inch in the front, 20-inch in the rear, with cup tires fitted on them. And also here, the optional carbon ceramic brakes that are even lighter than the already light M compound brakes, which are normally fitted on this car, with red calipers, and also optional for the carbon ceramics brake in golden color. At the rear, CS specific components, the carbon fiber rear spoiler, the M3 CS logo in black with the red outline, and down here, the diffuser made out of carbon fiber, as well as the titanium exhaust silencer that takes out another 4 kilograms of weight and also has its own specific exhaust sound. Now let's go to the inside. In the interior, we see M carbon bucket seats in a model-specific bicolor design in black and red. And their black and red bicolor finish is repeated for the 2 rear seats of the sedan. Another highlight is the lightweight design center console made of carbon fiber. And the M Alcantara steering wheel with carbon fiber shift pedals and a red 12 o'clock marking are standard. I think this makes a really perfect combination with everything we've seen on the outside. Now, to wrap it up, there are 3 things that you should remember about this car. First, it's the perfect car for the racetrack and for the streets. Secondly, it offers all the qualities a high-performance car should have, and at the same time it maintains its everyday practicality. And third, last but not least, it is another proof of the fact why M is the most powerful letter in the world.